How do you eliminate unscheduled downtime for good in your factory? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 4 things that I would do to permanently eliminate unscheduled downtime. Let's dive right in. Hi, my name is Ed Server, founder of edserver.com, and what we do is we help factory professionals streamline, innovate, and scale. And in this video, I want to walk you through 4 areas that I would focus on to help you eliminate unscheduled downtime for good. So let's dive right in. So in a previous video I talked about the 4 things that cause unscheduled downtime in a factory. So let's kind of recap those 4 things. You can go watch that video on this channel here, but I want to go ahead and just recap it a bit just so that we're all talking about the same thing. So the first one is we're dealing with old equipment, and I'll call that old E. Old E. The second thing is we're dealing with a chaotic environment, so chaos. The third thing is we have lots of finger pointing, so I'll draw a horrible drawing of a hand, so pointing. And the last one, the 4th one here, is no structure. Okay, again, so those are the 4 things that are contributing to unscheduled downtime on your assets in your factory. So what do we need to do to fix this? Well, in each of them, we need to do something specifically to address the issues so that we eliminate unscheduled downtime. And just for clarity's sake here, and we'll kind of put it, use brown. So in here we have unscheduled downtime. That's what we're trying to address. Okay? So with old equipment, what do we need to do with old equipment? Well, pretty much the opposite, right? We need to get the assets healthy. So let's just say asset health. Okay? And just to stay in line with some of the diagrams, we'll use a little shield with a cross on there. All right? So obviously asset health, we need to do everything that we can in order to get the assets back to baseline conditions. So that's the first thing. The second thing is to get rid of the chaos in the factory. We need to create more structure. And the way we do that is we're going to create standardized work processes. Okay, this would be everything from preventative maintenance program, planned work, scheduled work, and then we need to have a way to execute on a regular basis and manage that execution. So work processes, and I'll draw a little horrible rendition of a little gear because I like to draw pictures. Okay, so that's a gear. So work processes. So how do we deal with the finger pointing? Well, with finger pointing, the issue is that everyone's pointing fingers at each other when there's a problem, when there's some sort of unscheduled downtime event. And in order to fix this, we need to get everyone working together. So what I call this is team reliability. And again, just to stay in line with the little diagrams, we have lots of people here working together. So with team reliability, pretty straightforward. We need to figure out how to get everyone, the production operators, production leads, all the production employees, the maintenance employees, the quality employees, safety, sanitation, how to get everyone working together. A couple of examples, things like checklists work really well. Getting what I call task skill alignment is another very popular thing to do. This is where you're taking all of the activities that we need to do on the line to actually make sure that the line is up and running all of the time. So we want to match up people that can do those tasks. So for example, lubricating a bearing could be done by a production operator, as opposed to maybe a gearbox overhaul might be something that a maintenance technician would do. Something a sanitation person could do is, let's say, cover a motor before they wash it down with toxic or caustic water, right? So getting everyone involved and actually maintaining the line and having a sense of pride and ownership in the line is the key here. And the last one here is structure. So to counteract no structure, we need to have some infrastructure. So we need to have some standardized things that we put in place to help us maintain the assets themselves. Some examples are spare parts management, the proper tools, workshops, maybe a computerized maintenance management system. These are things that are supporting the asset health in general and supporting the people that are working on the lines. And just to stay in line with my beautiful graphic illustrations, I will draw a high-rise building. That's my fancy building there. Maybe we can put a little smoke coming out of it or something. So these are the 4 things that you need to do in order to eliminate this unscheduled downtime. And if you do, and you have a process to work through each, and we do in our academy, we have a program called the Max Asset Academy. We take our clients through, and it teaches them how to actually walk through all of these 4 different areas and address the issues in their factory so that they can actually eliminate unscheduled downtime. So hopefully this is helpful. Hopefully you can understand that by addressing these 4 categories and putting in some countermeasures and putting in applying some certain tools and techniques to each of these 4 areas, that you'll actually eliminate a lot of unscheduled downtime in your factory. If you're getting any value out of this, hopefully you are. I've got a lot of other videos on the channel. Please click that little thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also, there's a little notification bell you can click on, which will notify you when I drop a new video, which I release videos from time to time on this channel. In the meantime, hopefully this helps out, helps you kind of rethink how to address unscheduled downtime in your factory. I'll probably put up some other videos on some more details on how to actually implement some of the tools and techniques in each of these 4 categories. So until next time, enjoy maintaining your factory, and looking forward to talking with you soon, hopefully. Take care.